After logging into LearniCo, the first you can see is the teacher's name, that is, Hello, Soumitra Nivalkar. There are 5 main sections in the home page that are teaching plans, presentations, students, reports, conduct class online. Let's see the detailed functioning of all one by one. Teaching plan. A teaching plan is the instructor's roadmap of what students need to learn and how it will be done effectively during the class time. Currently, as there are 4 subjects in the system, it is showing the number 4 under the teaching plan. Click on it. You can see the 4 subjects which are already available for this institute. When you register your institute, you will find 0 subjects here. So, to create a new teaching plan, we have to click on Create Teaching Plan option. You will see a pop-up window asking for Select Classroom and Select Subject. As an example, we will create the teaching plan for FEENTC, Basic Electronics Laboratory. Click on Confirm. You can see the subject of Basic Electronics Laboratory created here. Click on it. It will ask you to upload the teaching plan. For uploading, we first have to create it with the help of the template. So click on Download Template option on the right side. The template will be downloaded. Open the template. You can see the example of how you have to enter the unit name, subtopics, date of completion. Now, we have to edit the template according to our lesson plan. I have entered the first unit as logic gates and then the subtopics of the units like AND, OR, NOT, NAND, etc. Then you have to enter the due dates you plan to end the teaching of that specific topic. Similarly, I have entered the other units information. So now we are ready with our teaching plan in the required form. Save the Excel sheet. Now go to the LearniCo site and upload the Excel sheet. You can directly drag and drop this sheet here, or you can select it from the saved location. Click on Upload. Click on Confirm. Here you can see your teaching plan is successfully created. If you want, you can add the units if there is any update. The topic name, planned date can be changed. You can even change the sequencing of the topics here. You can attach the presentation by clicking here. The option LA is the learning assistant, which will help to find the different articles related to the topics across the internet. Like you can see, when you click on YouTube icon, you get the links of various videos related to AND gate. Similarly, when you click on Google icon, you can see articles related to AND gate. In resource option, you can add your resources which you want to share with the students. When you click on resources, first you have to write the resource name, its description, and where the resource is related to. Like the resource is for complete plan, particular topic, or particular unit. Here I have entered the name of the resource as logic gate. Select the unit option as the resource contains information about the complete unit. Then click on Next. You have to choose the category of the resource. The resource category can be in the form of ebook, other materials, tutorial notes, question papers, etc. I have selected ebook option as the resource is in PDF format. Then drag, drop or insert the PDF file here and click on Next. The next step is to upload the thumbnail of the resource. Then click on Submit. Your resource is successfully uploaded here. When you go back to the teaching plan page, you can see that it is showing one resource. You can also add the unit after the preparation of teaching plan if required. Like here, I have added the unit Basic of Electronics and placed it after first unit. So now you can see Unit 2 is Basic of Electronics, in which further topics can also be added. Now go back to the dashboard and click on Conduct Class Online. You will see three options: Cancel, Continue Anyways, and Sync Now. Click on Sync Now so that the new plan is updated on the system, the teacher's app, and the student's app. In this way, you can prepare the complete teaching plan of your subject.